Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have a pair of Weiser KIK cylinders. Now, the first of which is standard pinned, and the second, with the smiley face, I've put some security pins in. And I just want to see if there's any difference in, the difficulty of picking, if there's any difference at all. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is raining. It was actually storming earlier. All right, so that took about, 25 seconds to open. And pop in this other one. I put serrated and spools in this. But I did this a couple of weeks ago. I don't remember where they are, but I know that I tried to put spools in a place where they would, come into play. A little bit of movement on the core. A lot more movement on the core. Try to find some counter rotation here. I think it's towards the back. Yeah, so I could already tell you this has actually improved the difficulty of the lock by a fair amount. Yeah, well, that definitely helped things. These are just, your average run-of-the-mill what you would buy for your own home. So, I mean, if you're capable of doing it yourself, you definitely want to make sure you add some security pins to your, exterior doors. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.